Hello, and today at Model Corner we'll be looking at the Gemini Jet's American Airlines Airbus A320-232 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, it's packaged in a nice presentation box, which we will look at now. It's got an image of the plane, which is the exact same plane featured inside, the airline running it, American Airlines, and the model of the plane, the Airbus A320. On the back of the box, it has, again, another image of the plane, plus some information about what a Gemini jet actually is. Now back to the front, you can lift this up and you can see the plane inside the box without having to take it out, if you choose not to take it out of the box. As well as some information such as a little bit of history about the Airbus A320, some specifications such as here we have its length, height and width, or wingspan, in feet and inches. Then some information such as its seating capacity, its range, cruising speed, max takeoff weight, and other facts that you might want to know about this plane. Now let's open it up and have a look at the model itself. Take it out of the box. And there it is, packaged nice and neatly in. Just take off the plastic cover. The plastic sheet. And there we have it. The American Airlines Airbus A320. Okay, it's very nice, very highly detailed. You see, it's got the classic American Airlines livery of the grey with the American flag on the vertical stabilizer. And now let's just look at some of the nicer details on it. So let's go on to the wings. You can see tons of details. You can see the flaps, the ailerons, the very nice wingtips on this particular model. Very highly detailed engines with the outside, and then on the inside you can see highly detailed. Again, let's look at here. We have a registration of N651AW, a little American flag right next to it. Again, you do want to be careful because there are some very delicate parts. As you can see, things like this here and the landing gear underneath. If you're too rough with it, you may break them off, but as long as you treat it nicely, that should not happen. So let's turn it around and look at the other side. Again, still got the American Airlines livery on it. Tons of detail all across this particular model. Looking on the underneath of it, got a little Gemini Jet logo. Still highly detailed, very nice, highly detailed landing gear. Looking at the cockpit. Again, this is a very nice model, and it has a wingspan of about 9 centimeters. And is about 9.4 centimeters long. So it's a very nice size for this model, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.